What's up everybody? Welcome back to Edible Fitness. Today is another taste test and I have these two people here with me today. How are you guys?
Here for the peanut powder.
Wow, not for the friendship. Okay, let's move on, shall we? We are trying this thing called peanut powder. Never heard of it before? You look excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Powder that becomes peanut butter in like a bunch of different flavors. So we're gonna test them all out today. Before getting into that, let's talk about what exactly is peanut powder. The company Flavoured PB Co makes gourmet peanut powder without the high fat of traditional peanut butter and without the added sugars and artificial flavorings of other unhealthy alternatives. They're vegan, all natural, gluten-free, 75% less calories, cholesterol-free, made with non-GMO peanuts, and 90% less fat than traditional nut butters, spreads, or frostings. What do you think? What do you want to try first? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Is that the, yeah, it is. All right, party cake. So your first option is to measure out 24 grams, add 3 teaspoons of water, mix, and voila. Or if you wanted something a little special, microwave it. All right, so we're gonna do all of that and we'll see you back in 30 seconds. So it has been mixed, it has been microwaved, and it is a very strong peanut butter smell wafting in the air right now. Choose your weapon.
Wish it's warm, but you put it in the microwave.
I can kind of taste like the birthday cake, but it's more peanut buttery.
It is peanut butter.
I'd be interested to try another one. It's
As strong?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like this. You do get that party cake taste?
I like it. I just don't taste the birthday cake, but I like it. I guess I have to try the others.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like I would have to try the other one to be like,
Yeah, that's birthday cake.
is
Yeah.
it birthday cake?
Yeah.
Is it Oreo? Cookies and cream. Oreo, sorry. Hashtag not sponsored. All right, we'll be right back. Weapons up. And this is your cookies and cream, sir. So you going for a big amount. Okay.
Good boy.
I'm a big kid now.
You guys were saying when it cools down, the taste actually gets stronger. You can't see her, but Elisa is over there. She's watching.
She's my wifey.
The flavor gets a little bit stronger, you were saying, right?
Yeah.
Cookies and cream.
Cookie.
There's no cookie. This is like pudding.
That's what it tastes like the Oreo cookie, but without the cream.
It's all right. Birthday cake still wins. Sorry, I ate it.
On to the next, toffee apple. Let's see what happens. Cheers.
Taste testing.
Oh,
I'll taste the
whoa.
apple. That's actually
Oh, the apple's, whoa, there is that little tang.
It's like the Jolly Rancher.
I'm just taking a little piece there. All right.
That's the best one yet.
Well, closest to what the box says.
It had to taste like apple. It didn't taste like apple.
That was good.
We were gonna come with fire and pitchforks. All right, enough talk. Let's move on to the next one.
Churro.
Churro?
Churro! Let's do this. I'm not enjoying this smell.
No, but I do smell cinnamon.
Oh, look at your face.
I like it.
It's not bad.
It's not the best, but I like it.
Okay,
Not
so
bad.
it would probably, yeah, like you were saying before, like on toast. Yeah. Next, there is one that I cannot try. Banana nut bread. Give this one a shot.
So that's good. I knew that one would be good.
Taking that home, huh? All right, good. Here you go. Kind of excited about this one. This should be good. Mmm,
Oh, that's good. That'd be great on toast.
Blueberry cobbler.
It
nice.
actually has little blueberries in it.
So bougie. I like this one. Do you taste blueberry?
They're very crunchy. Well, like chewy.
That was the most plain one we've had yet. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Pretty
I thought that would be like, like the apple.
Bursting with flavor.
Chocolate almond bar.
Nani? Not the worst one yet.
Like after a while, it's not bad, but the initial,
No, sir.
That's a no-no.
Mm. All right, this is the cocoa donut.
Yeah.
It's alright.
it's okay.
It's the coconut that I like.
Yeah, I like the coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better than the almond. Top three. Number one is salted caramel crunch, and then actually the banana and apple.
Mine was the toffee apple. That was incredible. Birthday cake was, better the second time around, and that became my second favorite. Churro was my third.
Top three is definitely toffee apple, the salted caramel crunch, and the cocoa nut donut.
I have the top two, the apple and the banana nut. The birthday cake was okay. I can take it or leave.
I'd take it.
There you go, 9 different flavors. I will make sure to leave a link a couple of links down below to their Instagram page as well to their website. So if you want to get a variety pack like this, you can do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.